Hi, today on my workbench a vacuum packing machine from Royal Catering. A device great for home use and also for restaurants, actually for any place that serves food and handles food. I cannot stress enough how cool that machine is and how useful and how versatile. First of all, it saves a lot of space in your kitchen because by packing it up you just compress it all so it takes less space, so you can put a lot more in your fridges. Then by cutting off the oxygen, it prolongs the longevity of your products by sometimes a few days. So that's generating a lot of savings. So let me talk you through all the functions on the components and I show you how it works. So on the top you see 4 buttons. Vacuum button means it's vacuum packing whatever you're trying to pack up, and automatically it's also sealing it. You can stop the process at any time by pressing the cancel button. Then you have the pulse option, so for any gentle items, any fragile items that you don't want to squish up and damage, you can control how much air is being sucked out. You just press the button, hold it for as long as you need it, then you just release it, then it automatically will seal the bag. And then of course you have the sealing option, which just seals the bag without sucking any air out. Alright, so by pressing these 2 buttons you're getting access to this sealing chamber. So this is the sealing element. Please do not take the tape off. That's a heat resistant special tape that makes the sealing possible. Then you have 2 seals on the bottom and the top. That actually makes the vacuum packing possible. And from my personal advice, from my personal point, one advice there. You need to take these out every now and then to clean them. And make sure they fit in properly back, because when there's a hole or something you won't be able to vacuum pack anything. I already pre-cut some special bag. This machine is designed to operate with these bags on a roll or just pre-made ready bags that you can get in any market these days. So what you do then, you just place the bag, close it down, make sure it clicks on both ends, press seal. This way you can make this into an actual bag. It takes only a couple of seconds. The red light will go on as soon as you press the button. It means the device is heating up. Once it goes off, it means it's sealed. So then you just unclick it, open it up, and as you can see, now it is a bag. Now it's ready to put your product in it. One more advice: whenever you're vacuum packing something, just make sure you roll up the edge of the bag. This way you prevent it from getting moisture on it or getting greasy. This will actually make the whole process a little bit harder. So this way it actually stiffens up the bag, it makes it easy to put your products in. So there's only a few advantages of it. Then you just roll the edges back up and you put it back into the machine, close it down, make sure it's tight, make sure it clicks, and then just press the vacuum button, and as you can see the air is being sucked out. It works quite efficient. It has 175 watts of power and it creates 0.8 bar of pressure. So as you can see, all the lights light up. Once it goes to the sealed button, it means the bag is sealed. When they go off, it means the process is finished. So you just push the buttons on the side, take it out, and that's the end product. That's what the machine does. It sucks the air out, making it more compressed. So as you can imagine, you can store it in your fridge and it will take less space out. And as I said, there's no oxygen inside, so this carrot would stay fresh without any loss of quality for much longer than this one. This one will oxidize and go grey in a couple of hours. In this case, you can store it for up to a week. Of course, you have to check it, but you're the chef, you'll know best. Alright, so that's what the machine does. If you're looking for a vacuum packing machine, you might also be interested in sous-vide cookers. So have a look at the website. There's a range of vacuum packing machines, there's a range of sous-vide cookers. You will definitely find the set that you need for your venue. This machine, however, comes with a 3-year warranty, and when you order it, it will be posted to you in a really sturdy cardboard box, just like this one. With lots of packaging material in it, styrofoam for a tight fit, and a safe journey to your place. Also inside you will find one of these. I cannot stress enough how important that bit is. It is an instruction manual. Have a read before you start the device. There's a lot of useful information how to prepare it for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, how to operate it, and so on. So a lot of cool informations. Alright, so that's about it. So if you found this useful, just remember I'm your hands-on expert. Let me know what other equipment I can test for and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.